guys, so check it out. This right here is the Remark exhaust. It's the Axleback for the 2022 GR86/BRZ. Alright, so let's take a look at the exhaust. This is your left piece right here, and this is your right piece. You're gonna end up using the stock hangers and the stock exhaust gasket that connects to the muffler. You are provided with one exhaust gasket and bolts for this right here, so the two pieces of the exhaust connecting together. Should be a quick and easy install, so let's get to it. I just jacked the car up from the diff right here, and of course I was gonna get some ramps to put under the wheels, but we got the Harbor Freight jacks on the pinch welds in front of the rear tires. You're gonna get under here and just loosen these two bolts. I used the 14mm socket with a breaker bar, and piece of cake. So let's go ahead and get this stock exhaust off. Alright, so for any noobs like me, make sure to leave at least one bolt in there when you're trying to untighten the other bolt, just so the exhaust has a little bit more rigidity, or else you're going to be wiggling that exhaust forever. So a little heads up. So we got the bolts off, and now we just have the hangers left, and let's use our hanger removal tool that I got off of Amazon to get those off. Okay guys, so hanger removal tool, got this off of Amazon for like 15 bucks. Let's see how this works. So we've got our hanger up there. I'm guessing this just sort of locks into place there. Let's set you guys down for a little bit so you can enjoy the show. Let that be a lesson to not do what I did. I managed to push the hanger out of the, I managed to push the little anchor out of the hanger, or the hanger out of the rubber, but I got my tool stuck in the actual rubber hanger, so don't do that. Make sure to take it easy when you're doing this. All right, let's do the rest of them, and I'll pick you up in a little bit. Alright guys, exhaust is off. Make sure to save this little gasket is on the stock exhaust, because we're going to use that again. Oh fuck, this shit's fucking heavy. So I got the exhaust kind of mocked up. Let's go ahead and put it on the car. Check it out guys, one side on. What a difference. That is a huge exhaust. Holy crap. Just one side on. This thing is gonna look freaking sweet. So super quiet idle. It was really loud on the cold start, but it wasn't too bad. I'm gonna see my parents what they think. What do you think?
We think it's really good.
Not too loud?
Very loud, you're gonna wake up all the neighbors.
So I'm gonna post some exhaust clips in a little bit, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. Well guys, that was just a quick little ride along. The car is, let me see if the miles show up. The car's still in the break-in period. We're sitting at 735 miles. It's hot as hell here. So yeah, hopefully pretty soon, I mean a couple days or so, I'm gonna get you guys a really good video, you know, some wide open throttle pulls. We're gonna check out this GoPro footage here. I just drove up the street, so nothing crazy. You know, it's holding on pretty well and still recording. So we'll see how that goes, guys. Thanks for watching. It was just a little taste of the Remark exhaust. It looks amazing. You know, I really cannot complain.